Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. If you're a student, a fresh graduate, or a professional working in the pharmaceutical industry, you've probably heard the term GMP many times. But what exactly is GMP? Why is it so important in quality control laboratories? And how does it ensure that every medicine reaching patients is safe, effective, and of the highest quality? In today's video, we'll answer all these questions in a simple, practical, and easy to understand. So if you're preparing for pharmaceutical interviews, building your career in QC, or expanding your knowledge, stay with us until the end. Stay with us until the end because this video, let's get started. What is GMP? GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practice. It ensures pharmaceutical products are consistently produced, they are controlled according to quality standards. The primary objective of GMP is to protect patients. We do this by preventing errors, contamination, and mix-ups during operations. This ensures medicine quality and safety. Think of GMP as a quality management system that governs every act from receiving raw materials to manufacturing, testing, packaging, storage. Without GMP, there would be no guarantee that medicines are safe, effective, or consistent from one batch to another. A quality control laboratory plays a critical role. QC is responsible for testing raw materials and finished products. That is why GMP is essential. Every test result generated in the QC laboratory directly impacts. GMP requires laboratory activities to be accurate, reliable, traceable, and fully documented. Now let's discuss the key principles of GMP. Documentation is the backbone of GMP. A famous saying is, if it isn't documented, it didn't happen. Every activity in the laboratory must be recorded accurately.
Sample receipt, instrument usage, calibration records, test results, calculations, deviations, investigations, cleaning records, logbooks.
Documentation should always be accurate, complete, and legible. Contemporaneous, original, and consistent. These principles. Even advanced equipment cannot produce reliable results if analysts are not properly trained. GMP principles, analytical techniques, data instrument operation. This training must be documented and periodically refreshed. An SOP is a written instruction describing exactly how a task should be performed. Following SOPs ensures consistency. This includes sample handling and operation. Remember calibration and cleaning. Always dispose of chemicals properly. This reduces human error. Lab instruments must arm accurately. First, we have HPLC. Next, Advanced UPLC. And finally, GC. Welcome to our Advanced Analytical Laboratory. Each instrument is correctly installed. They are fully qualified and calibrated. We ensure they are maintained regularly. Welcome to Good Laboratory Practices. Analysts should wear proper PPE and label all samples. Stay safe and compliant. Use clean glassware. Prevent contamination. Follow safety procedures. Dispose of waste correctly. Maintain housekeeping. A clean laboratory reflects a strong quality culture. Data integrity means laboratory data must be trustworthy. This must be throughout its regulatory agencies emphasize data integrity. It must be accurate, complete, original, consistent, and reliable. Patient safety depends on it. Proper sample handling is another important GMP requirement. Every sample must have unique identification and correct labeling. Complete traceability is required. Use proper storage. Controlled access is also required. Poor management leads to incorrect results. Some common GMP deficiencies include using expired reagents, incomplete documentation, missing signatures. Avoid these mistakes. You must never backdate records. Do not use uncalibrated equipment. And finally, poor housekeeping. Implementing GMP provides numerous benefits. It ensures patient safety and reliable analytical results. Regulatory compliance acceptance. Reduced product recalls. Higher customer confidence. Better laboratory efficiency. Improved product quality. Ultimately, GMP builds trust between pharmaceutical manufacturers, healthcare professionals, regulatory authorities, and patients. To summarize, good manufacturing practices are the foundation of pharmaceutical quality. GMP ensures that every analytical result is reliable, every process is documented, every instrument performs correctly, and every employee follows standardized procedures. Remember, medicines directly impact human lives. A single laboratory error can affect thousands of patients. We must ensure accuracy for every single person. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pharmaceutical QC, QA, HPLC, UPLC, validation, and regulatory training videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.